Here are some examples of problems addressed by property rules and institutions that we will analyze. Example 1. This morning, in a remote meadow in Wyoming, a mule was born. To whom does that mule belong? Superscript 1, which reads, this remarkable question is how Professor John Cribbett, one of the leading scholars of property law, opened his first lecture on property to first-year law students at the University of Illinois College of Law. Does the mule belong to 1. the owner of the mule's mother, 2. the lumber company that has leased the land on which the mule was grazing, or 3. the federal government because the property is a national forest? Example 2. Orbitcom Incorporated spent $125 million designing, launching, and maintaining a satellite for the transmission of business data between Europe and the United States. The satellite is positioned in a geosynchronous orbit 25 miles above the Atlantic Ocean. Superscript 2, which reads, a geosynchronous orbit means that the satellite is traveling around the Earth at exactly the same speed at which the Earth is turning, so that the satellite appears to remain stationary above a point on the Earth's surface. Recently, a natural resource monitoring satellite belonging to the Windong Corporation has strayed so close to Orbitcom's satellite that the company's transmission between Europe and the United States has become unreliable. As a result, Orbitcom has lost customers and has sued Winsong for trespassing on Orbitcom's right to its geosynchronous satellite orbit. Example 3. Foster inspects a house under construction in a new subdivision on the north side of town and decides to buy it. The day after she moves in, the wind shifts and begins to blow from the north. She smells a powerful stench. On inquiring, she learns that a large cattle feedlot is located north of the subdivision, just over the ridge. And to make matters worse, the owner of this old business plans to expand it. Foster joins other property owners in an action to shut down the feedlot.